Hello guys, welcome back to another clean with me, or welcome if this is your first time on one of my videos. I am so happy that you decided to click on this one today. Today I'm doing a bit more of a routine clean, so it's not a deep clean, but it is definitely packed with cleaning motivation. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm starting off in the bedroom today. I love to make my bed at first thing, but this room definitely needs a good tidy as well. All of the cups and glasses are building up. I've even got some on the windowsill over here because there's just no room for them. So I need to take those down. I also need to sort out all of the washing, make the bed, do the dusting, and just make this room nice and cozy because this just isn't a vibe. So I'm going to go ahead, make the bed, tackle this mess, and then we can carry on from there. Okay, so I have a bit of an update for you guys. We have turned this room into a complete bunny bedroom, and at the moment they're separated because we're waiting for Willow to be spayed, so they have to be separate because a baby boy won't leave her alone because she's letting off some sort of hormone smell or something. I'm not really sure, but so they have to be separated until she's done. But when she's done and recovered, we're going to be getting rid of all of this, keeping the little tower because they do like to sit up there, but everything else is going to go, and they're just going to have one huge room to run around in and play in. So when they are not downstairs, we don't have to feel guilty for having them up here because they have their own room, which is crazy. But I'm also going to go ahead and change out these shelves and just have it as a complete bunny room, so it will have their food, their treats, hay, bedding and all that, and just like completely clear it out. So Rob actually made this cute little door to go in, and it's just so easy to go in and out now. We did have to go ahead and add on these bits which do sort of ruin the aesthetic of it, I guess, but baby girl is a jumper, so we think that she'd easily be able to jump this when she gets a little bit bigger, so we've put that there just to extra precaution. We don't want to get an out, but look how dirty and gross it is in here at the moment, so I need to go in and give it a good sweep out. They're going to be staying in here, so I won't give it a deep clean, I just need to sweep it out. But as you can see, we went ahead and put different flooring in just to protect the carpet. We've also done all of the skirting boards to protect that, so when we move, because this is just a rented property, we can just take it all up and nothing is going to be damaged. So we've completely bunny proofed it. But yeah, it's a little bit crazy that we've given the bunnies like their own bedroom, I guess, but because the cage was in here anyway, we weren't using it for anything else, so we thought we may as well just make it a nice space. So I am going to clear off the shelves, make it nice and pretty, and yeah, this is just going to be a room for them. So I need to go ahead and give it a good clean out. I also need to do the floor. As you can see, there is just hay and everything all over the floor, going all the way downstairs. So I need to give this space a thorough hoover and a sweep, and yeah, I just can't wait to get rid of that and have the whole room. So I will keep you guys updated to any changes that I make. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to all of this being gone and just letting them run free up here.
My senses, then be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. Oh, baby, as long as I got you. 'Cause I'm done with baby, as long as you want me to. I'm done with embrace. As long as I got you, as long as I got you.
I was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. Oh my, I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older.
Okay, so I didn't film the whole thing because it would have taken me such a long time, but it's so much better once it's cleaned in here, and it's just a really nice space that I can actually come and just sit with them. So I've put both of their blankets in the wash, so it is looking a little bit like empty in here, but they both have blankets on the floor and stuff. So yeah, if I come over here and just show you better, and it's just going to be so much better when like all of that's gone as well, so it's just the whole room. That way I don't have to climb in to clean it out. I can literally just either go in with the broom if they're in here, or just go over with the hoover. So I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, this room is 10 times better now it's all clean, and I think I'm gonna wait to do the shelves when that's gone, because it will just be a lot easier for me to get to them. So really looking forward to finishing this room off. But oh, look at him. They are having so much fun in here already, so I know that they're gonna love it. We are gonna get like a tunnel for them to go there and stuff. But yeah, they're just the cutest. So I think they deserve a room to themselves. Okay, so now all of this is done. I need to go in and give the floor out here a hoover. I don't know if you can see, but it is a total mess. I've still got some glasses over there from the bedroom that I need to take down. So I'm going to bring the hoover up, give the upstairs a quick go over, and then we can carry on downstairs.
Twice, roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing.
So the front room literally took me a few minutes. I just did a quick hoover and sorted out the cushions and blankets and stuff, but because it was already pretty much done down here, that's why I did the bunny cage today, because that just takes it out of me. So whenever it's really messy down here, I never get the chance to do the cage. So glad that I got that done today. But I now need to just move into the kitchen, and as you can see, it's not really yet too bad. I've just got some washing up to put away, and then I've got a ton of washing to stick in. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort that out, and then I can wipe down the sides and just get everything nice and clean.
I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Oh. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games now. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying.
I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you some motivation to clean with me today. Do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up if it did, and also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you back here in the next one.